Now, the biggest truck buying trend that is taking over North America is called the 30 plus 30 truck buying system, which is basically you look at your local dealer's inventory, used inventory, for about 30 to 60 days, and you're looking specifically for Silverados that are 3 to 4 years old, that have 30 to 40,000 miles, that have a $30 to $40,000 price. So the beauty of the 30 plus 30 truck buying system is if you use it enough, you might even beat the current system, which means if you're looking for vehicles that are close to $30,000 and 30,000 miles, you might find one that's under $30,000. It's just a guideline to help you keep in sort of like a target price range. So that is the way to use it to your best advantage.